My name is Liz Amazing, and I am living full-time in an RV as I travel across the country. I'm visiting all the national parks and checking out all the sights there are to see while I'm working as a drone photographer. Hey, so yeah, my life is pretty great right now, but it wasn't that long ago that it wasn't. In fact, I was miserable. I used to wake up every morning dreading the day. I felt like I was on the wrong path, that my spirit was slowly dying. I mean, it was really bad. And what was going on at that time was I was in a marriage that just was not right, and I didn't want to face that. I also was a realtor. I had a super successful career, but it was all consuming. And finally, I just kind of had a breakdown and was like, I have got to take a vacation. So I bought a camper van and I took a 1-month solo adventure out west, just me and my dog, and I went to see Glacier National Park. That had been on my bucket list for over 20 years, and I had the best time. You know what? That is the happiest at that point I had ever been in my whole life, that whole month. And what else happened was I connected to this inner power, this divine compass, this higher power. I don't know what to call it, but it was like this inner wisdom telling me exactly how I should live my life and exactly how to get back on the right path. And that's the thing. I didn't want to go back to my life after experiencing this happiness. I just thought, I want to create a life where I'm happy like this most of the time, right? So I came back and I just trusted my inner wisdom. I trusted that guidance, and I did the really hard things. I left my marriage. I moved out of my beautiful home. I stopped selling real estate. I sold my car. I even stopped dyeing my hair. I used to have red hair back then. And I moved into 100 square feet of space. I moved into that van. And that wasn't easy either, but I just trusted that guidance, and I trusted it and trust it now. And here's what I've learned, because by following that, I've learned I really can create the life that I want, that it's not too late to follow my dreams, and that I really am meant to be happy. I mean, I think we're all meant to be happy, that nobody should be miserable, and that miserableness is a message that you're on the wrong path. So I feel like I am now finally, living my best life, and I am so grateful to have learned that, hey, it is never too late. That's what I have learned. I mean, I am 56 years old, and it is just never too late to have the life of your dreams. So thanks so much for being here. Please like and comment. I invite you to join me on my journey as I still try and figure all this out, but I'm just loving the journey, and I'd love to have you with me. Thanks.